Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can recycle and reuse these for your seed starts. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to Farm Alarm. I'm Ashley. Today I'm going to show you how you can reuse these milk jugs and use these to start your seeds. So you guys are probably wondering why I have all of these saved. Well, I'm saving them because I'm going to show you guys how you can save these as well and start seeds in them. We have 4 different seeds we're going to start today. I believe 3 of them are tomato and 1's okra. It's a nice day here in Missouri and it's like 82 degrees outside, so it gets you in the spring spirit and you want to get planting. So that's what we're doing today. Over here in this cabinet that my husband put up for us has our seeds in it. Yay! It looks like we have Black Beauty, Cherokee Purple, Okra, Black Cherry, Purple Tomato. The importance of using a more expensive seed versus a cheaper seed is your germination rate for your more expensive seed is more likely to produce than the cheap seeds. Every cheap seed that we've gotten, we've had really bad luck with and they never produced anything. So that's why it's very important to know what seeds to get, so you know that you're going to get germination and you're going to get your crop and you're going to be able to eat that crop. What you doing? Are you digging in the dirt? Are you going to help mommy plant seeds today? Yeah, that was a radish bed. Yeah, we ate all the radishes, didn't we? That's for Trevor? Yeah. It's getting pretty big, isn't it? Don't pick it. Don't pick it. Pretty big. Okay. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the top off of them.
That's your pocket knife? That's your new pocket knife?
That's my old knife. Okay, so maybe that knife wasn't the best option. It might be because it's a little dull, but either way, it cut the top off, and now we can fill it with soil and plant some seeds in it. I got my little helper with me today. He's helping me by putting the dirt into these containers. We're just using dirt that we've used previously that have had other crop in it that we've pulled out and pulled the weeds out. So basically it's just ready to go. There's no reason to get any new dirt since we have what we need right here. The first one we're going to plant is this Black Beauty. We're just going to start with 2 seeds. That way we're not overpowering the plant. That way there's just 2 and there's not going to be too many plants growing in one, and when it comes time to transplant, it'll be super easy to transplant them out into our garden.
Just 2 seeds?
They're super little, so you can't drop them. Uh-oh.
What happened?
I dropped one.
Here.
Stick your finger down in there and make a hole. Okay, now put the seed in there. Got it? Stick it right down in the hole. Now I'm going to get a marker and I'm going to write on it so I know what I planted in it. The reason we're planting in these is because when it's time to transplant, they're super easy. You can just cut it, stick this in the ground, cut it, and boom, done. If you guys are new to our channel, you'll see these molasses buckets in our greenhouse that we grow in. We get those from local farmers. We'll actually leave a link for that right here on how we got those. What do you think about that popsicle? Is it good? Mm-hmm. Here, let me help you. Push it with your fingers. What color is that popsicle? It looks like it matches something. What's it match? What color is your shirt? Is it the same color as your shirt? Who's that? Hi, Sassy. Tastes super good on a day like today. We had a nice popsicle break. Now we're back to planting again. What are you doing? What you eating? You eating kale? You having another snack? What kind of kale is that?
Okay.
Curly kale? All right, go enjoy your kale. Go play with your trucks. Hey, look at me. Your face is dirty. Let me see how dirty your face is. What have you been doing? Eating dirt? No? Okay, go play. Well, we got it all planted, ready to go. Now we wait. Let us know in the comments below how you start your seeds. We're just gonna get these guys watered and wait for them to grow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.